How to trade on Kalshi. Trading on Kalshi, a platform for trading event-based contracts, involves a few simple steps. Follow these steps. Sign up on Kalshi's website and verify your identity to start trading event-based markets. Link your bank account securely and deposit funds to have money ready for trading. Browse markets like weather, politics, or economics to find events you're interested in trading. Learn that contract prices range from 1 cent to 99 cents, representing the probability of outcomes. Analyze the event and predict whether the outcome will be yes or no based on research. Place your trade by buying yes or no contracts, depending on your prediction. Monitor your active trades and adjust your strategy as needed for potential profits. Settle contracts. If correct, earn $1 per contract, otherwise, contracts settle at $0. Thanks for watching.